So one suggestion I had with this complete pain in the butt rhythm is, as you get faster on your tempos, go up slower with your BPM increments. For example, like maybe you do regular 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, and then you go 82, 84, 86, go up by twos after 80, or maybe even at 90, you start going up by twos. And then, if you're able to get to 110 or beyond, you really want to go further with it. Maybe like 1 beat per minute increments would be a decent thing to do here. And just to also help keep things from being done too much. If you haven't been doing this already, like about 10 to 15 minutes max is all you really need to max these things out. So like, go as fast as you can, and after like 10-15 minutes, call it good there. You don't have to go that entire time. Like if you max out in like 7 minutes, then fine, you max out in 7 minutes, that's not a big deal. But just wanted to bring that up because after having discussions with other people, sometimes students will like spend like 5-10 extra minutes just trying to get an additional 5 beats per minute faster, and that's just overkill. We don't want to do that. It's not helpful. So anyway, let's do number 1 at 6 of these minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. 100, 1, 2, 3, 4. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 for your shot. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nah, I don't think it's gonna happen. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nah. I would need to work that thing up if I was actually gonna hit it. So yeah, about between 100 120 is pretty average for as fast as you can get something like that. So, excuse me. I need a cough drop here in a moment. Anyway, 60 beats per minute for number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 90 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 120. 1, 2. Dang it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Faster than this, I want to do all downstrokes. For example, 150, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So after a couple of days, you might want to switch over to doing nothing but downstrokes and see how comfortable that feels. If it's an absolute mess, don't worry about it. Just stick with all the extra strumming. keep you in line there. But in order to get going really fast with that kind of rhythm, this rhythm here, you have to do all downstrokes. Okay, so I'll do all downstrokes on this one from the beginning. 60 beats per minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. One, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's start that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. It's definitely a weird one. So if you're doing like all downstrokes at the slow speed, it feels very strange. 120, 1, 2, 3, 4. 150. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, excuse me. Sorry. One thing I do to kind of make sure I'm staying in line and on track with everything. So you got your strum and tapping at the same time to start, right? So you strum, and then right after that next strum you're tapping. You got that strum in the middle there, and then you tap strum. So you got together, and then the strum followed by a tap, then you're in the middle, tap strum for that last part. So both together, strumming and tapping at the same time. And then right after that strum, you should feel the foot tap, strumming in the middle. And then right after this foot tap, you feel the strum. So I start thinking about it that way. It helps me keep the rhythm more accurate. So it might be something you start to notice. If you do notice that stuff, fantastic. That means you are absolutely internalizing this polyrhythm. Okay? So let me know if any questions come up, and I will see you again next week.